Welcome to my channel. This is Rajiv Maurya and today we are going to discuss some more questions which based on simplification. In the last video we have discussed the basic and primary question based on simplification. Today we shall discuss the question based on simplification having the level in advance, and I hope that you will get everything with myself. So student, let us start our today's topic with a question is given -15 plus 4 plus divided over -1 -3 by multiplied by 6. This is the given question. Now let us solve it. Before start its solution, first of all, let us see the rule through which we shall solve this question. So the rule is that here we shall use V board mass. This rule I have explained many times. This rule suggests that V, which is stand for Venn bar, that means if the question contains Venn bar, we shall solve the number first. Okay? Then B stand for bracket, that means we shall solve the number that are inside the bracket. Let us see how does the Venn bar work. Suppose that 3 plus 5 is given with bar. That means we have to add them, and here we get the result as 8. There is no any matter of plus and minus sign. You have to add or subtract as it is, as you have solved ordinary addition or subtraction. If -3 plus 5 is given with bar, which means the result is 2. Similarly, if -3 minus 5 is given with bar, that means -8. Okay? So, in this way, we can also solve the question is given. So, let us see. So here first of all we shall solve the number having bar. That means this will be equal to -15 plus 4 divided over, here we have -1 -3 multiplied by 6. This may be also written as -15 plus 4 divided over -1 -3 multiplied by 6. Okay. Now here we can see that the bar present only at -1 and -3. So we have -15 plus 4 divided over, here both integers having the same sign, therefore they will be added and we get minus 4 and multiplied by 6 like this. Okay, in the next step we shall get minus 15 plus 4 divided by minus 4 multiplied by 6. Here 4 and 4 become cancelled out and give us 1. Since as I told you in the division of integer that if divided and division having the different sign, then the quotient will be negative. So here we can see that 4 and minus 4 is the divided as numerator and minus 4 is the divisor as denominator. So divided and divisor both have the different sign. Therefore, their quotient will always negative. So in the next step, we shall get minus 15 plus minus 1 multiplied by 6, and in the next we get minus 15 minus 1 multiplied by 6. Okay, so now here we have to multiply first, then we shall add them. So we get minus 15 multiplied by minus 6. 6 1 just 6 and the sign of minus. And in the next we can write minus 15 and plus minus minus 6. Since the both integers are negative, therefore they will be added in order to give as 21 as the result. Therefore, minus 21 is the right answer. I hope the all solution is clear to everyone. So now let's see, the solution is slightly lengthy, but I don't think that any doubt in this solution. By the way, let us see the solution once again. I will explain rapidly. I hope that you will get. So let us see. The question is given as minus 15 plus 4 divided over minus 1 minus 3 bar multiplied by 6. This is the given question. In the second step, I just remove the bracket with 3. So here we write minus 15 plus 4 divided over minus 1 and here minus 3 with bar multiplied by 6. Now I have collect minus 1 minus 3 together. So here we write minus 15 plus 4 divided over minus 1 minus 3 bar multiplied by 6. Now here we can see that the both integers are under bracket with bar. So first of all we shall solve minus 1 minus 1. So in the next step we shall get minus 50 plus 4 divided over minus 1 minus 3. Both having the same sign, therefore they will be added with their respective sign. So since both integers are negative, therefore its sum will always negative. So in the next step we shall get minus 50 plus 4 divided over minus 4 multiplied by 6. Here according to the board mass says D comes before addition or subtraction. So here first of all we shall divide. So here we divide 4 divided over minus 4. Since as I told you in the previous class that if divided and divisor having a different sign, then their quotient will always negative. So here when we divide 4 by minus 4, we shall get the quotient as minus 1. Now again we multiply and we get the result. Okay. So I hope the question is clear. Now let us see the next question. Okay, now let us see the next and one more question. The level of question is continuously increasing. So let us see One more question. The question is minus 40 plus minus 1 minus 2 bar multiplied by 6 divided over 3 minus 2 bar. Now in this question, their number of bar is 2. So we shall solve both number having the bar at first. So this can be written as minus 40 plus, here we can write this minus 1 and minus minus becomes plus 2 bar multiplied by 6 divided over 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Again this can be written as minus 40 plus 2 minus 1, that is 1, multiplied by 6 divided over 1, or this can be written as minus 40 plus 1 and 6 divided by 1 give us 6, so multiplied by 6. Now after division we shall carry out the operation of multiplication, so now we shall multiply, and here we get minus 40 plus 6 1 ja 6, and here after multiplication we shall add, so minus 40 when added with 6 we get the result as minus 34. Therefore minus 34 is the right answer. As I can feel that this question is easier than the previous question because its solution is too short as comparison to the previous question. So I hope that the solution is clear to everyone. Now let us see one more at least, but not last. The next question is 60 multiplied by minus 3 which is divided by 45 divided by minus 15 with bar. So this is the given question, and now let us see its solution. The question is very, there is only the difference. This question is the operation of division is also carried out with bar. No problem. We shall divide first. So here we have 60 multiplied by minus 3 bracket close divided over, here we have 45 upon minus 15. As I told you, when divided and division having a different sign, then the quotient will be negative. So here we get 60 multiplied by minus 3 divided by minus 3. 15 3 is 45. Now, what will be our next step? Division? No. According to word mass, first of all we shall solve the number with bar, after that bracket. So here we have to solve the number which are inside the bracket. So here we get 60 multiplied by 3. Since both integers are having the different sign, that is one having plus sign and another having minus sign. So the result, that is the product, will also negative. So here we get the product is 180 because 6 3s are 80 and this is divided by minus 3. When division and divided having the same sign, then the quotient will be positive. So here we get minus 180 divided by minus 3. Minus and minus cancelled out and 3 1 are 3, 3 6 are 18. Therefore, the result is 60. 60 is the right answer. Okay, student, I hope the solution that I show you here is clear and you have no doubt. Yet you have any problem, then please mention in the comment section. I will clear in my upcoming video. So keep doing. We shall meet in the next video with new questions. Till then, goodbye.